Okay. Anyone else want to speak about hobby?
Sir, what we do in our in our leisure period for our entertainment or our enjoyment?
Okay. Can we take hobby is only for a medium of entertainment, or it is also correlated with some other things?
So correlated other things.
So overall,
Yes.
we can say it is not only for fun.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Why? Because if you are pursuing hobby only for entertainment, then it is going to be wasteful.
Yes.
For example, someone says, "Sir, I love to watch cartoon." Do you think that cartoon will have any positive impact on our lifestyle or in our career?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So definitely, hobby must be related to our growth and development.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So normally, the regular activity or the favorite pastime, usually that we do for fun. And some people make money out of their hobbies also. For example, wildlife and wedding photography and contributing article to the newspaper can be a money spinning pastime.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
People are not doing it for full time, but they are capturing a photo and they are sharing for a contest and they win the bumper prize. So their hobby turn into a business or money earning source or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But that does not necessitate every hobby to bring in a monetary benefit. Can we say like this, like we must have the hobby to earn money? No.
No, sir.
So we can say a hobby as what? As simple as voluntary work can also look great on a fresher resume. Yes. So normally this is what? This is a HR related question while we are going for an interview, then this is a very similar question. In every interview, the people are asking what are your greatest hobby, right?
Yes, sir.
So hobby may be your interest. So let me tell you how not to answer the question, what are your hobbies and interests? Okay, don't say like this. Like some people are saying, I am very sorry, I am not sure I have any hobby. The people are saying or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And some of the students saying, I love to collect books, but hardly read any of them. Do you think that hobby has any value? Or some people are saying, I am a foodie. I party with my buddies every Saturday night. I love to watch movie with my friend. I am a PUBG XP level 28 player. Or I like to Netflix and chill. Do you think these things are going to help you in an interview?
No.
No.
This
So
indicates a waste of time.
we that's why we have to speak only the things which related to our skill and quality,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
right? So we must give relevant sample answer for this because an interviewer can easily catch you from your hobby that whether you are a what type of candidate.
Good evening, sir.
Right? A very good evening. Right. So initially what we will do, first I will give chance to you student and I wanted to see that how you are telling or articulating the hobbies of your, then at the end I will tell you some of the best way to express your hobbies. Is it clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Let me start with Tulsi Raut Rai. Tulsi Raut Rai,
Good, e-
please tell us what are your greatest hobby?
good evening, sir.
Very good evening.
Uh, I can't say no to anyone,
Mm-hmm.
and I love to spend time with my friends.
Okay.
Then I love to gardening, and rest of the time, sometime I love to read storybook.
Okay.
That's also.
Huh. So these are your only hobby?
Yes, sir.
Right. Listen, while we are giving answer to this, it is not there that we have to close it in just 1 minute. What is the timing of your answer here? Not more than 1 minute even?
Yes, sir.
So how can we elaborate it? So we will give some more example also about it. Or we can do one
Yes, sir.
thing. We can talk about a single hobby and we can say the benefits and what we are receiving, or we can elaborate it a little bit. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And
Anyhow,
I love to watch positive thinking video, motivational video. Um, it
so
helps me
what benefit you are getting from that type of video?
uh, getting positive energy, and I leave my negativeness and
Mhm.
some time of peace.
Okay. So by watching this type of video, you are saying that your days are going to be entertained and it rejoice again and again.
Not entertainment, sir. Actually, I am feeling calm this time, and I can
Mhm.
describe, sir.
Okay, no problem, no problem. We'll get back to you. Okay, let me give a chance to another participant. Next
Okay,
one,
sir.
thank you, Tulsi. Next one, Supriya Maji.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Please speak a little louder because your voice is coming slowly.
Okay, sir.
Are you using
Hobbies?
a headphone?
Yes, sir.
Then keep that mic person near to your mouth so that it will look loud.
Yes, sir.
Okay, carry on.
Okay, sir. So hobby is defined as something that we do in our free time, and we also like the most. Even after doing it again and again, we never getting tired of it. So I love to do dancing because I enjoy it, and it also helps to maintain my mental and physical health. India is a country which is full of different types of culture, religions, and communities. India's language, dance, music, food, festival differ from place to place within the country. There are some famous dance style like Odissi, Bharatanatyam, Ghumar, Bhangra, etc. From all of these, Odissi and Bharatanatyam are the dance style which I like the most. They are continuous from our ancient times. When we go to any temples, we see many of the ideas with different types of mudras. So now I am going to tell something about the Bharatanatyam and Odissi. So there are some famous dancers of Bharatanatyam like Meenakshi Sundaram Pillai, Bal Saraswati, and Rukmini Devi.
Mhm.
Uh, um, It is also called as Sadhya Rattam. Uh, it is a major form of Indian classical dance that is indigenous to Tamil Nadu. It was nurtured in the temples and courts of southern India since ancient times, and it is one of the 8 forms of dance recognized by Sangeet Natak Academy. Uh, Bharatnatyam dance jewelry sets are made with dark green and dark maroon, and the quality called Kempu stones, also known as temple jewelry. This design worn by Maharanis or Devdasi in the ancient time. And I'm I also want to tell about something on Odissi also. Uh, it is referred to as Odissi in older literature. Is a major ancient Indian classical dance originated in Hindu temples of Odisha. In its history, it was performed predominantly by women and expressed religious stories and spiritual ideas, particularly of Vaishnavism. Vaishnavism. It also expressed ideas of other traditions, such as those related to Hindu gods like Shiva, Surya, as well as Hindu goddess. Some famous dancer of Odissi are Kerucharan Mahapatra, Ratikant Mahapatra, Sanjukta Panigrahi, etc. Uh, uh, in Odisha, filigree silver jewelry are used by the dancer of both genders. Uh, and I know this much about Bharatanatyam and Odisha, and that's much, sir.
Fine, super. So answer it very pretty good, but thing is that now what's your name? Supriya Maji, you tell me what job you want to do.
Sorry, sir. I can listen
You
to
are
you,
going
sir.
to be a banker. No, is it audible now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
My question to you, Supriya Maji, is that what is your dream job?
So I want to be a police officer.
Okay, so you want to be a police officer, that is very fine. So while they are going to ask this question to you, this is your personal hobby, no?
Yes, sir.
And just now what I told a little bit earlier,
That's what is my dream.
yeah, no. I am saying that while you are talking about your hobbies, it must correlate with your profession or fashion.
So actually, unfortunately, I never got any training on dancing. So when I grew up, I want to be a police officer because my father also in a police, and I inspired a lot from him.
Yes, definitely. So I mean to say that while we are telling our hobbies, I am simply saying one simple point that it must related with our profession and our career. So,
So
so,
yes,
so when somebody, okay, you have good knowledge on about dance form and this and that, that is very welcome. But thing is that while we are going for a job for interview, so what they are going to look at us, they are going to see what the qualities that we are having.
so dancing helps me to physically fit.
Yes, that is one way. That's why I appreciate your talk. Dancing keeps you fit. That is one
Yeah,
good way. Some other
yes,
form also we can add. Yes or no?
yes.
So I mean to say that in that hobby part, you can say some, you can add some sports activity also.
Yeah, I'm good in long jump, sir.
That you have to mention. No, right now I am asking that. Then only you are saying no. Yes. So everyone, please tell the hobbies which are going to be your part in life. For example, she is going to be a police officer. So definitely she will have some activity related to the job. Yes or no, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Definitely. Okay, nice answer. Supriya Maji will come to another participant. Next one, Sunita Sahu.
Yes, sir.
Sunita Sahu, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I will do one thing. Let me make it a little more easier to you. First of all, you have to tell me what you want to become in life. Then you are going to speak about your hobbies. Then it will be very helpful to you.
Sir, yes, sir.
For
First,
example, okay, now you start. What is your dream job and what are your hobbies? And we will see.
yes, sir. My dream job is I'm become a honest teacher, and and my hobbies like my daily day-to-day life. I like painting, and sometime I like watching motivational video in YouTube channel, and um, hobby is a regular activity to done for enjoyment in our freedom and not professionally, and not pay for it.
Mhm.
It's spend time for it's time for fun. So free time I really enjoy my
Okay, so
daily
your hobbies
activity.
come across, your hobbies are included, what is that? Painting and watching motivational video.
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
And
Fine. So is that
sometime yes,
okay?
sir.
Tell me anything more.
And sometime I prepare some new items in some recipes like vegetable foods.
Okay, so again you are trying. Okay, so sometime you spend time with you cooking, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is super. Very good. Let me come to
Thank
one
you,
more
sir.
participant. Okay, thank you so much. Next, Soumyaranjan Mishra. Soumyaranjan Mishra, is it audible to you? Please come soon. Okay, I am moving to the next participant as he is not answering. Okay, next, Kranti Kumari Sahu. Kranti.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Kranti, please go ahead. What are your greatest hobby?
There are so many hobbies of mine like cooking, traveling, reading books, but I love reading books more than others. I read every books, but I like reading biology books particularly zoology books because now I am pursuing my graduation and my aim in future is to become a lecturer in zoology. So I give more priority to zoology. I love zoology from my school days. It includes like electron microscopy, molecular genetics, ecology, applied biology, anatomy, taxonomy, and physiology of every animal, body, and birds. I love animals and I have the passion of knowing about the animals, birds, and their habitats and their body textures. So read. I like to read zoology books. By studying animals, I develop a understanding of how we and our cells function and interact with the surround with us. From childhood, I have an interest about knowing all the things about a human body. So when I
Mhm.
read about it, I take it practicable, uh, and I have the passion about the knowing all the things about human body. So when I get some time, always I read other books, but when I also read zoology books, but when I get some leisure periods and also when I am upset at that time when I start reading the zoology books and enter into the gist of that uh, topic, I forget all the things happening around me
Mhm.
because I love zoology very
This
much.
is a very rare hobby. Normally, when people feel bored, they are going to watch some comedy or some other live show and other things. But you are culturing a good hobby.
Yes, sir.
Definitely,
I
this
don't
is going
have
to
I don't have
no
the
no. This is
patience of
going to help you a lot.
seeing movies, yeah, anything
No,
else in the phone.
nowadays it's very common to like what to feel bored or getting bored. I have seen students after reading 1 hour
Yes,
they are
sir.
losing the 100% concentration. Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? So you have
Yes, sir.
cultured or developed a
I
very good
also
hobby.
got
Very good.
bored reading, but other books, but not in zoology books.
Definitely, it's a mind game actually.
Yes, sir.
It's totally a mind game. Whether like somebody look, if we had a problem, if we have problem and we are not finding the solution, only stuck with the problem. then there is no benefit.
Yes, sir.
It's better to forget. Otherwise, what? Let's move forward. We can't wait for the same problem. Are you crying for the
Yes,
same
sir.
problem again and again?
No, sir.
Now we have to let it go, because we don't have anything in our hand that we can control times, this or that, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, anyhow, happy to hear that you love this type of activity which help you a lot. Very good. Now I will come to another participant. Next, Rasmita Sahu ma'am.
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening, madam. Now tell me, what are your hobbies?
Actually, I am working in hospital sector. My hobby keeps me busy. Life without a hobby is like food without salt. I making new recipe and learn from YouTube and prepare for my son. And hobbies help us to the daily stress and bring us great joy. Sometimes I'm listening song when I get time, and in this activity, I always busy, and which is performing daily once leisure time, watching TV.
Okay, like what kind of things you are watching? Any news or serial or movie or anything like current affairs?
So,
What are the things that you love
movie and
must to watch?
serial.
Okay, so in the movie, what type of genre? Like what type of movie? There are different type of movie. It's like war like, or a like love movie, or a some comedy movie, or some moral movie. A lot about explorable movie. What
Familiar
type of?
movies, old film movies are like.
Related to family. Definitely, those are the evergreen one.
Yes.
Okay, okay. So can you tell us one of your favorite movie from that old cinema?
Abhiman.
Okay, great. Directed by who? No, we have to take care about it. While we are saying in the interview, you see, those who are sitting in the interview, they are not like you
Actually,
and me
when I
people.
started to watching movie, that movie already started.
No, that's great. I mean to say that I'm informing all the students, those who are taking interview in the corporate sector in the big level, what happen? No? Assume that if a person is going to face more than 100 people for interview, definitely they feel reject. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So what happen? They are going to ask us mad question also, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
we have to take care of that person mind also.
Yes.
Right. So they may ask anything. So we have to reply them properly. Okay, anyhow,
Yes.
thanks to you. Now we'll move to another participant. Next, Priyabrata Sethi.
Yes, sir.
Okay, coming to you, boy. Now tell me, what are your hobbies? Let me see.
So my dream is to work for a airline company, and my hobby is
Okay.
listening to music. And I love music because music can relax my mind, and I do not feel pressure when I listen to the music. And I love traveling, and I try to take a trip every season. And traveling allows me to adopt new ideas and planning skills to ensure that I have the most fun I can do. That's it, sir.
Okay. So in traveling, which part you love the most?
This forest areas like um,
So you wanna
mm,
visit some greenery place.
yes, sir, like you Kedarnath, and last year I visited Rishikesh. That type of place I like.
You have visited last year Rishikesh, right?
Yes, sir.
Have you learned anything new with your travel? What do you experience when you visit last?
Experience.
Like I had a journey to Rajasthan, so I learned a lot. I learned a lot of things. Now you tell me, you had a visit to what? Where? Rishikesh. Now tell
Yes,
me
sir.
what things keeps you happy in that travel.
Cold weather and beautiful nature and water drifting. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Different people have different choice, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Now we'll move to another participant. Next, it's going to be Puspa Priyadarshini Behera.
Yes, sir. What is hobby? Which we do every day that call hobby. It may be bad or good every day. I like to actually I like to do exercise because it keeps me fit and one person can have many hobbies. I have more than one hobbies, but I will prefer to present my best one in this discussion. So I think for me, my hobby is doing exercise and reading some short stories like the Thirsty Crow and the Dog and the Bone. These types of stories I like to read. This is my hobby, sir.
Okay, so you love to read short story and all this.
Yes, sir. And every day morning,
Very good.
I love doing exercise like Surya Namaskar and any other types of yoga.
Yeah, this is the superb one. Okay, thank you. Next, Anusri Mahanti.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Anusri, what are your greatest hobby? What are your biggest hobby?
Sir, I want to be chemical engineer, but my hobby is not related to my job.
No, it doesn't mean that it must correlated with it.
Sir, my
I'm saying
hobby.
in the initial, why I'm telling in the initial part of the class that in an interview, for example, in an interview, I'm going for a job of software engineer. So my hobby must also related to Google surfing or solving programmatical problem, knowing new
Yes, sir.
latest news about IT technology, robotics, or 5G generation, network related this or this. Or shall I tell in the interview, I love cooking and I love dancing, or I watch cartoon movie, or I am a good writer or a poet. I got many prize in poetry, this and that. So it's look very what strange to the person or not?
Yes, sir.
So hobby is not like that. We are connecting every hobbies into our job. It's a personal choice. Like my hobby is to read the Hindu newspaper 1 hour regularly, or watching some Sadhguru's program. I love that person a lot. Or listening BBC News and spending time with podcast with new news speaker, those who are from different country. Again, I want to learn some more about the other countries that I don't know. Recently, I am reading about Syria and Libya. So
Yes, sir.
these things what keeps our mind fresh, no? And even though if you want to explore, there are a lot of things are there still in India, right? Okay, so now you tell me, Anushri, what are your hobbies?
So my hobby is dancing, and my hobby is dancing. I love dancing so much. It gives me pleasure and peace. And I am a classical dancer, so I must like classical dance and other dance also. Dance is exercise to my body and relax my mind. And I participate in many stage program and got many prize and certificate also.
Mm-hmm.
Mm,
Have you ever tried for national platform?
No, sir. In the time given.
So you are saying that if you'll get a opportunity, then you will do it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, fine. Okay, thank you, Anusri. Next, new one. Next, another person. Let me ask. We have to listen more hobbies. Krishna Rani Sahu.
Good evening, sir.
Very
My
good
daily
evening.
life,
Please tell us about your hobbies.
is my hobby like paper craft, reading book, listening song, and my ambition is to be a good teacher. Like that.
Okay, so these are your hobbies. Okay, very good. Next, Julirani Das.
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Good evening.
Sir, I want to be a an ideal English teacher. It is my dream and my father's dreams also. I like
Okay.
to reading books, any types of story book, GK paper, and English news. It gives me because it's give me a more knowledge. I like to cooking because I love to eat different types of food.
Okay,
I
so you
like
like
to
to cook.
visit new
Okay.
place, interact to others people, and make new friend in my life. In my free time, I like to watching YouTube. I like story, GK, and cooking recipe. So these are my hobbies.
Okay, very fine. Next, Jyotsna Rani Das.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Jyotsna Rani, you are fine now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So you are suffering with fever or a cold or what?
Yes, sir.
Stay safe, you see. Corona is waiting outside.
Yes, sir.
Keep away. Okay, tell us what are your hobbies, Jyotsna Rani?
Yes, sir. I
Hello,
want to
sir.
be
Sir. Hello.
Yes, who is this?
Hello, sir.
Yes, is it Jyotsna?
Hello, sir.
no, sir.
Hello.
Got a pen. Please tell me about your hobbies.
Sir, I want to be a good lawyer, and I spend lot of time reading book like GK, English grammar book, and new story book. I love listening song, um, and I like to watching Telugu movie because I like Telugu movie like action movie. That is my hobby.
Okay, thank you so much. Next,
Thank you, sir.
Subrat Kumar
Hello,
Malik.
sir.
Yes,
Hello,
who is
sir.
this?
Sir, more.
Please tell me your name.
Sir, ମୋର ସବୁବେଳେ କଟି ଯାଉଛି କଣ ଯେ?
Who is this? Tell me your name, please.
ଦୀପ୍ତି ମୁଁ ସିନସିୟର ହେଲାନି 2 days ଯୋଗୁ କ୍ଲାସ କରିପାରୁନି ଏମିତି କଟି ଯାଉଛି।
ଦୀପ୍ତି ଭାଇ ତମର ନେଟୱାର୍କ ରେ କିଛି ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ରହୁଥିବ ନହେଲେ ତ ଆଜି କ୍ଲାସ କଲା ବେଳଠୁ ଥରେ ବି କଟିନି ଆଜି ଆମର ଲକିଲି।
ମୋର ହିଁ 1 minute ବି ରହୁନି ସାର୍ କଟି ଯାଉଛି।
ପ୍ଲିଜ ମେକ୍ ସିଓର about your network। ତମ ନେଟୱାର୍କ ଟିକେ ଦେଖ ଯୋଉ ଜାଗାରେ ଆସୁଛି ସେଇଠି କ୍ଲାସ କର। Is it audible to you, Diptimai?
Sir.
Okay, Diptimai, please tell us about your hobby. See again left. No problem. We have other participant. Subrat Kumar Malik. Subrat.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Tell me, Subrod, what are the hobbies do you have?
My hobby is playing cricket and football and listening music, and it's help to in in our fitness
Okay.
and sir, my ambition is the Indian Army. It's help.
Okay. So, Subrod, you want to be an army officer, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And your hobbies are about sports and athletes, right?
Yes, sir. And every day
Okay,
I
fine.
I get up morning, early morning, and then I go to running in our field.
Right. Okay. Thank you, Subrod.
Yes.
Okay. Next participant, Roji Swine. Roji, tell us what are your hobbies?
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening. Please tell me what are your hobbies?
So, first of all, I'm new in this batch today. It's my first class.
Okay, that's fine. But if you are new, then you don't have any hobbies or what?
Yes, sir.
Don't worry here. We all are learner here. And it's a very friendly class. You can ask anybody.
Okay, sir.
Okay, all are very comfortable with you. Anushri Mahanti, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Are you comfortable? Are you finding the class is a very cordial and friendly class?
Yes, sir.
Is there any ragging in the class?
No.
Okay, so we are like a family member here. So what we all get together here to learn and to express our knowledge, right?
Yes, sir.
So whether we commit mistake also, it doesn't matter because mistake are going to be common. But we'll find the solution if we did mistake, right?
Yes.
Okay, so Roji, be comfortable. Please tell us what are the hobbies do you have?
So, I am a sir. How it start?
Try to speak. You have sufficient time. Nothing to worry. Have confidence. Tell us what are the hobbies. You are listening up to. You have been listening and the people up to now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, they are telling about your hobbies. Now it's your turn.
So my aim is as a banker of a good bank account of a good bank in a good bank. I am a competitive preparation student from Banning, and my hobby is watching movie, cooking food. I love to eat. I love to eat food. I love to watching movie as a thriller movie, horror movie, and I have a I like autobiography of APJ Abdul Kalam. He's a very inspiration person. Mm, uh, I love
Super.
I read APJ Abdul Kalam's autobiography group, and I learn so much things from him life from his life, and he's a struggler person, and I also to like motivational speeches like Sandeep Maheshwari. I like to
Mm-hmm.
do meditation. It is so peaceful and a calm time for me,
Mm.
and I do it every morning, and my days goes and the days goes uh, very peacefully, and uh,
You are telling super. Very good. So this is the thing only we have to talk. Okay, very good. Roj is fine. Thank you so much.
thank you, sir.
Very good. There is no problem. You are telling very like word. Excellent. No problem. Now, let's come to another person. One more participant left today. We don't know what is his hobby. Uh, Soumya Ranjan Mishra. Soumya Ranjan Mishra, are you listening to me? No, Soumya Ranjan is not responding. He's the youngest boy in this group. Okay, anyone left? Okay, Soumya Ranjan, come back. Okay, Soumya Ranjan. He might be facing some network issue. He's coming and going like this. Okay, let me ask anybody left? Those who have not said about their hobbies in this group?
Sir, me, Rajashree Varik.
Sir, me, Jyoti Sagar.
Yes, yes. Yes. Okay, Jyoti Sagar and Rajashree left. No, okay. Jyoti Sagar, you tell me first, what are your hobbies?
My hobby is plant gardening, watching TV. I should tell you about hobby. An activity that you do for pleasure, which is not a work, is called hobby. My hobby is gardening, watching TV. Uh,
Are you really a gardener? Do you have a garden, Jyoti Sagar?
no, sir, but I make a garden
When
behind
you are
our
going
home.
to when you are going to make that garden?
Mhm. In front of our home or behind
You
in
are
the
telling
pot,
us,
sir.
yes. You are telling us, no, sir. I love gardening. So, how many plant are you like? How many plants are there in your garden at present? Okay, so Jyoti Sagar, you are
Like
about to do that, right?
sorry, sir.
No, your voice is breaking. I'm saying that you are about to do that job in coming days.
Yes, sir.
Yes. No, gardening is a very good hobby. You're not only enjoying your time, but also you are saving the environment.
It is like mango, coconut, and many type of trees.
Okay. From the group, let me ask everybody, how many of you love gardening?
Yes, sir, me.
Sir, move on.
I'm also, sir.
Sir.
So everybody love to garden, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Or is there is anybody there in the group who don't want to do gardening?
Sir, move.
Who is
Sir,
this?
ମତେ ଏତେ ଭଲ ଲାଗେନି।
We have to contribute now. While we are eating mango, we feel very happy. So we must plant a mango tree then. So no.
ମତେ ଫୁଲ ଗଛ ଦେଖିଲେ ଖୁସି ଲାଗେ।
Definitely. So this is the nature what we are getting here. We are blessed. My God. When we are planting more and more tree, we are contributing a lot to the country environment and total world environment. You see, there is a fire happen in the Amazon forest. A lot of animal die. This happen, that happen. It's a totally disaster. We feel happy when there is everywhere greenery. Why people love to travel forest? Because they love the greenery. There is a
Greenery.
good smell also coming from the forest. How many of you enjoyed the forest trip?
Yes, sir. Me too.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I
I-
enjoy.
Yes, sir.
Don't you want a house in the middle of the forest with a good Wi-Fi connection, high internet speed data?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
I have a dream. I have a dream to have a house in the middle of the forest, but having full internet data because I don't want to stay without internet and television and all.
So Switzerland ରେ ଅଛି.
Let me share you a very
Yes,
important
sir.
story, everybody. There is a person from IIT Kanpur. He is a professor. He was working like a professor. He's earning a salary of 1.5 monthly, like around near about 2 lakhs. He left everything and he directly went. He directly what? He left the job and he stay in a forest right now and who is doing the cultivation. He's not using any technology, no bike, no car, no electronic gadget, nothing. Only he's having a bicycle and he's planting lakhs of tree. So he's a IIT professor. What benefits he's getting by doing this? Don't you think he's having a great contribution to the nation by saving and preserving the environment?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So you
Ah,
getting peace.
he dedicatedly do the work. So these are some extraordinary people. And to become that much sacrifice, for doing that much sacrifice, we too need a big heart. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
My
sir.
family also working on it.
So today topic I have given social work and social worker. No, I will cross verify who are saying what in tonight. Let me see. And I hear that like many of the students they are not sharing their sentence and audio clip. Please don't do that. This activity is only for you. I'm watching you all people. If you are following this instruction, it is going to very fruitful to you. Is it clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
You have to do it regularly. I am planning to add some more activity into the group, and I have seen that there is a lacuna. Like some of the students are not sharing their sentence and audio clip. Very soon, from the next month onward, I am again going to add another activity that is short speech writing. I am going to add writing also. So in the coming days, you are going to write regularly. So writing is also one of our great skill. Yes or no?
Yes,
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 sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
yes,
So
sir.
very soon I am going to add from the next month, the writing part is also going to be a part. So what of the day, writing and audio space, three things. So we have to be master in the four skill, no? Listening, writing, reading, and what? Speaking. Okay, one more participant left. Let me ask her what are her hobbies. Who is she? Rajeshri, are you there?
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. So please tell us your good hobbies.
Thank you, sir, to give me a chance to telling me about my hobbies. So first of all, what is hobbies? A hobby is a regular activity done for enjoyment during our leisure time. So I like to read novel and storybook because storybook keep me entertainment and motivate me and novel book keeps motivate me always and gives me a positive energy. I also love to help other people, but it gives one type of happiness to me. And I want to be a social worker. That's why I hope this type of work keep inspiring me and also help me in my future to achieve my goals. I spent a lot of time with my parents and old age people. Through my parents, I gain a many type of knowledge about society, and through the old age people I have gained many knowledge about mythology and many culture tradition of India, and I enjoy with clicking picture and traveling, and I am also like to photography, and in the morning I doing meditation for 5 minutes and also read newspaper for 15 minutes. That's all about my hobbies. Thank you, sir, for listening
Hmm.
me.
Super, super. So as a fresher, let me tell you everyone, let me tell you one sample answer to you how to tell about your hobbies. This answer is going to be for any fresher, for non-technical or technical. You can say, good evening, sir. I'm a sports addict and just love playing any sports. But basketball has been my all-time favorite. I won't, I would not boast of my skill in the game, but I'm the captain of my college team. And during my school days, I was a team member of the district basketball team. And I'm sure that if situation permit, I will continue playing basketball even after college. Even if I relocate to some other city or country, it is not just my hobby, but sometimes that's close to my heart. Had engineering not been my first passion, I am sure I would have taken up this game as a full-time profession. So besides, there are certain plus points of the game as I keep practicing constantly and indulge in weekly matches, and all the workouts sorts of help me stay fit and focus better at all other tasks like studying and driving. So I would definitely count basketball as my hobby. So here in this answer, what happened? He's telling only one hobby and he's explaining about the hobby or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
assume that if there is a automobile engineer, he's going to tell about that related skill. Like I like to design car. A automobile engineer loves to do what? Designing car. Okay,
Yes.
for a commerce graduate, what would be the answer? अगर कोई कॉमर्स का ग्रेजुएट होगा तो क्या बोलेगा? मैं बचपन से पैसा इकट्ठा कर रहा था डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ करेंसी और नोट्स. इसका मतलब पता चल गया कि वो आगे जाके क्या बनेगा, बिजनेसमैन बनेगा कि नहीं बनेगा.
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि हम लोगों का जो चाइल्ड एक्टिविटी होता है दैट्स आल्सो एनी हाउ like correlated with our future,
Yes, sir.
but we can't guarantee. Can we guarantee?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Like in my childhood, I was a big goon. But now there is a total reformation happen with my life. I even don't want to fight or argument. I don't want to do argument with the people also. I don't like. Because the God has given life us to learn new things, exploring life. Or shall we waste our time by fighting with people? No? Okay, if you see Rani Lakshmi Bai, there is a word called child prodigy. Child prodigy मतलब जो बच्चों का छोटे समय से ही बहुत अनोखा लक्षण दिखाई देता है पूरा, जो कि आगे जाके वैसा बनेंगे. So the child activity also anyhow it's look like or it's give us a feeling that what he is going to be, right? But we can't guarantee because in childhood everybody love to when you are asking a child what you want to be in life, what they are saying? Have you ever asked any 2 class, first class or second class, third class student what you are going to be in your life? Anyone?
I want to become a god.
Which is? Priyavrata said he want to be the god. No, it's impossible because you have him.
I have no idea about God that time.
No, that is a good dream to keep. Okay, what about other people? What you are thinking about to become in when you are going to be bigger in your childhood? Anusri, what is your dream in childhood?
Sir, doctor thila jate.
Very good. Jyoti Sagar?
Captain of sea.
Captain of India cricket team.
Na
What
sheep,
was your
sheep, sir.
dream?
Captain of sheep, sheep.
Oh, captain of ship. Next, Jullurani Das. Jullurani Das, what was your dream job in your childhood?
Sir, I did not know this time.
Okay. Okay, you don't remember, so you should confirm it from your parents. Okay, Kranti, what was your dream?
Astronaut, sir.
Astronaut. Very good, very good. Rasmita Sahu, madam.
Sir, doctor.
Okay, now you are in this profession, so there is no regret.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Pushpa Priyadarshini Vera.
Sir, doctor also, because my father gave me so many doctor instruments.
I don't know why the childs are crazy in their childhood. Everybody want to be a
Yes, sir.
doctor. So who
Yes,
is
sir.
going to be patient?
Actually, at that time
No,
we are
I have
thinking they
never
are
been a
God.
dream to become a doctor. Okay, Supriya Maji, what was your dream?
I want a dance teacher.
Okay, okay. Okay, you can be, no problem. There is full opportunity. Okay, Tulsi
Now I
Raut
cannot
Roy.
learn that.
Police officer, sir.
No, you are in wrong profession. Okay, if you want to change also, you can, no problem. Okay, next. Krishna
sir, in
Rani
this class
Sahu,
we are
what was your childhood dream?
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
aeronautical engineer.
Aeronautical engineer. Very good. Next, Rajashree Barik.
सर मोर 3 क्लास social worker.
Social worker. Okay. Roji Swain.
Yes, sir.
What was your childhood dream job?
Sir, I wanted to a proper government job, not any in any field, not in any proper
So
field.
in childhood, you know the difference between private job and government job?
No, sir.
So what exactly do watch? Okay, you think about it. We will come back to you. Subrat.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so everybody, let me do one thing. Let us wind up the class as we are crossing the time today. I hope we had a very entertaining and enjoyable class today. I am going to do one thing. First of all, I will request all the students to give the exam. Please give the online exam. And after giving your exam, if you have any problem regarding the answer, there is a revision option at the right corner. Please verify your answer. So everybody must participate in the exam at the right time. And after this class, I am going to share
Sir,
two
ସେଇ ଟାଇମରେ ମୋର
websites in
କ୍ଲାସ୍
the link.
ରହୁଛି.
No, you can participate later then. Those who have urgency and they are busy, they can participate later. But those who are free in that time, please kindly attend the exam. And after this class, I am going to share two more links of website from Naukri.com where you will find different type of answer that to express about your hobbies. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you
Yes,
you
sir.
everyone for joining
Thank you,
us
sir.
today.
Thank you, sir.
See you.
Thank you, sir.